Hey traders! Welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, your go-to place for smart and simple trading ideas. In today's video, I've got something really exciting for you, a super easy and accurate binary option strategy using the Vortex Indicator. Whether you're brand new or already trading, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step in a very simple way. Make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll show you live trades and explain exactly why I entered each one. This will help you truly understand how to use this strategy in real markets. Before we jump in, here's a quick but important disclaimer. Binary options trading involves risks. You can lose money, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly, only invest money you can afford to lose, and do your own research before placing trades. Also, please support me by hitting the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the bell icon. This motivates me to keep bringing valuable strategies and trading tips to help you become a better trader. First, apply the Vortex Indicator on your platform. Change the main line period setting from 14 to 16, but leave the overbought and oversold settings as they are. The candle time frame should be set to 15 seconds. The trading rules are simple. When the red line of the Vortex Indicator crosses the white line and moves upwards, take a sell trade. When the white line of the Vortex Indicator crosses the red line and moves upwards, take a buy trade. Use a 15-second candle time frame and a 1-minute expiry time. Avoid trading during news releases to reduce unpredictable market volatility. Focus on trading during the active European and New York sessions for better opportunities. Practice first. Before risking your real money, test this strategy on your demo account to gain confidence and experience. The best part? You can use this strategy on any platform: IQ Option, Olymp Trade, Pocket Option, or others. It works great in both real markets and OTC. Now let's dive into the charts. I'll show you exactly how I take each trade, explain the logic behind it, and share tips to improve your trading game. So grab your notebook, stay focused, and let's learn this winning strategy together. Let's get started. According to our strategy rules, this setup is perfect for a sell trade. Why? Because the red line of the Vortex Indicator just crossed above the white line and is moving upward. That's our clear signal to enter a sell. So I'm placing the trade right now with a 1-minute expiry. Let's stay with it and see how it plays out. The red line moving up means stronger negative momentum. Perfect for a sell. We followed our rule, stayed patient, and didn't rush the entry. And we used the right candle time frame 15 seconds with the 1-minute expiry, which gave us a strong setup with minimal noise. Always wait for a clear crossover. Don't jump in early. Let the lines cross fully and move in the expected direction. That makes a big difference. And there it is. The trade finished in the money, a clean and confident win based on our Vortex strategy. Now let's move on and look for our next setup. Now here's our next setup. According to our trading rules, this looks like a great opportunity for a buy trade. Why? Because the white line of the Vortex Indicator just crossed above the red line and is moving upward. That's our clear buy signal. But wait, before we jump in, let's take a closer look at the market condition right now. The candles over the last 15 to 16 bars are almost moving in a straight line. This means the market is ranging. It's not strongly trending in either direction. Even if you get a perfect signal from the indicator, you should always check the market behavior too. In this case, since the market is moving sideways, taking a trade here is risky and may not give good results. But I'm still going to take this trade, just for educational purposes, to show you what a bad setup looks like. It's important to learn from both good and bad examples, so you can trade smarter and avoid common mistakes. All right, the trade is closed. And guess what? We actually won this trade, but it was pure luck. Let's be honest here. This wasn't a great setup at all. The market was ranging, there was no real direction, and even though the indicator gave a buy signal, the price could have easily gone either way. This is exactly why I always say, follow the full setup, not just the indicator signal. You need momentum plus a clear crossover plus a trending market to get the best results. So yes, we got lucky this time, but don't count on luck in trading. That's why it's so important to practice. Stay patient, and avoid trades when the market is flat or choppy. Now, let's move forward and look for a high-quality trade setup in a trending market. All right, traders, here's another clean setup. According to our trading rules, this is a perfect buy opportunity. The white line of the Vortex indicator has crossed above the red line and is moving upward, just what we're looking for. I've entered a buy trade with a 1-minute expiry. Now, let's wait and see how this one plays out. And there it is. We got a winning trade. This is what a strong setup in a trending market looks like. Clear crossover, good momentum, no ranging candles. That's the ideal condition for using the Vortex strategy successfully. As you've seen in this video, it's not just about getting signals. It's about knowing when to trust them and when to stay out. That's how you grow as a trader, through smart decisions and experience. So before you trade with real money, make sure to practice this strategy on your demo account first. Build confidence, test different market conditions, and sharpen your entries. If you found this video helpful, do me a quick favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon so you never miss future strategies, and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions. I love hearing from you, and I always reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful strategy. Till then, happy trading and stay consistent.